I graduated in 2022, so I started looking for a program where I could start a career. When I looked into the BioWork program, I saw that there's a growth opportunity within this field. I was scared at first, but I took the chance and I loved it. It opened doors in my life that would never be open if it wasn't for this program.
My apprenticeship has changed my career path in several ways. One, it's given me an opportunity that I didn't think I was going to have. I applied to many companies and I just was not having much success. I felt like I needed to change what I was doing, and so when I saw this apprenticeship, it gave me the idea that this is how I can get my foot in the door and get into this industry.
Everything about my start in my career has been because everyone has been so willing to help me learn things and invested in my learning. Everyone that I work with is a teacher to me, and it's pretty amazing to work with all of these people who are experts and take time out of their day to show me what they're doing.
There's just a range of opportunities depending on your personality, depending on what you've been gifted with.
Typically, people think they may not hire someone like me. And it's important to know that diversity exists in life science. And diversity is respected in life science and is encouraged. Don't remove yourself from an opportunity. I think now is a good time to be inspired by the industry if you're interested in joining life science.